Hi everybody, how's it going? My name is John and I'm with J.Racenstein. I'm here today to talk to you real briefly about the glass Gleam products from Titan Labs. They are a state-of-the-art formulated, concentrated window cleaning liquid designed specifically for the professional window cleaner. They mix instantly with water, contain no phosphates, ammonia, or hazardous chemicals. Glass Gleam performs much better than vinegar, dishwashing soaps, or TSP. They don't settle out, evaporate, or cake up. Unlike dish soaps, Glass Gleam leaves no residue, won't foam up on the glass, and won't leave white marks when dry. It's biodegradable, USDA approved, and earth-friendly technology, and is approved as a green product, designed specifically for cleaning glass and window films using a squeegee. Glass Gleam 3 Super Concentrate, aka GG3, makes squeegees glide by reducing drag. It has a high visibility orange color, and you can mix just 1/10 of an ounce per gallon of water. Glass Gleam 4 Window Cleaning Concentrate, or GG4, shows blue color when diluted and is ideal for use in buckets or sprayers. It mixes 1/4 of an ounce per gallon of water. It stays wetter on hot and windy days and won't leave white marks when dry. GG4 is designed to work well with hard water, containing a polymeric water softener and more detergent than GG3. Okay, so one of the main differences between the GG3 and the GG4 is the concentration level. A gallon of GG3 will give you about 1,200 gallons of window cleaning solution, whereas the GG4 gives you about 512 gallons. This is because it has more detergent in it, but because of its water softening properties, it's an excellent choice for pre-treating exterior windows when you're utilizing a water-fed pure water system. So hopefully this helps you. And as always, thank you so much for watching our video and choosing J.Racenstein. Have a great day.